it's me, Joy from the Magical Land of JingJangJooJong. We're going to make this. I'm going to get started right straight away. I'm going to do it quickly. I'm going to put a link to where I saw it originally, so you can click on that one if you want to see it slower. Okay, so are you ready? So now you don't need much air in this one at all. I'm going to make a little dinky unicorn. And so just push the air through there, and I'll show you how much I've got left. I've got one, oops, I've got at least 2 hand spans. I've got loads there, all right? So we're going to start off with the tail, and so I'm just going to have a small bubble tail followed by 2 legs, a bit longer. Obviously the legs have got to be the same size as each other, and then just turn that back, twist that in and around. See what I'm doing there? Very, very simple. A longish body because it's a horse, so longer than the legs. Then another pair of legs, same size as the other ones. Twist them together. There we go. Now you're going to make 6 bubbles. So 1, small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously try to make them all the same size, and then we're going to just put them into a circle. So the bottom 2, just hold, pull up, turn around, so you've got a circle there. Okay, that's your hair. And now we're going to make a neck. So what we got with the left of this, we need to have a neck, a head, and in between a pinch twist, which is going to be the ears. So I'm just going to give that a little squeeze. Right, so then I can get an idea of how long I'm going to do the neck, because I want to leave enough for the head and a pinch twist for the ears. So there's my neck. So now I'm going to push it through there, nice and easy, and then just turn that round, so that the hair is now in the right place. And so I'm going to do a pinch twist now. So I'm just going to take a small amount off there and pinch twist. So you're going to pull up, turn around and release. So pull up, turn around, there we go. I've got my pinch twist there. Now this bit, there's our horn, and we're just going to bring it back. So I'm going to pull it back fairly tightly and wrap it around the pinch twist. And because the pinch twist has got like a nice little dent right in the middle, it just perfectly sticks out there. Now with a little bit of practice, and I haven't done many of these yet, so I haven't got it perfect yet, and it always changes with the balloon. If you notice, doesn't matter what, different colours work differently, and then sempertex works differently, even qualitex and stuff. So but there you have a very nice quick unicorn, which the kids will love, and you can mess about. If you don't want such a big body but you want a longer neck or a longer head, then you can do that. You can also, with the mane, if you really fancy it, you can just sort of cross them over a bit like that, and then it all joins up nicely. Just depends how much time you've got, really. Of course, you can draw in a face as well. So there is our little unicorn balloon there. So absolutely fantastic crowd pleaser. Thank you for joining me for that one. Don't forget, you can check out the link below if you want to see how to do it in more slow motion.